Hape.
Hello everybody out there. Today we have a family day, and the family day means we try to get the Quadrilla and we try to get it out of the box and see what's inside, how we can play together. And now we will get the box open, find the place and then see what's in the box. Let's start open and find your spot. Okay, now everybody has played his Quadrilla. Everybody nearly finished his Quadrilla, and everybody play individual. And now we go to another room, and then in this other room we all will play together. How is that? Sounds good? Yay!
Hape.